Hey guys, Chef Angela here from Fresh Food Friday, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favourite wonton recipe, pork, ginger and scallion. Now what we need to do is start with is making sure that we've got our wonton wrappers. Now the wonton wrappers that we have to be square, and they also have egg in them. So that's your number one thing that you need to get ready to start with. You've got a pot of boiling water on, and we're going to quickly put together our wonton mix. I've got 250 grams of pork mince from the supermarket and also a knob of ginger. That's probably about 75 grams. We're literally going to peel the ginger with our spoon, and what we'll do is we will finely chop that ginger along with the scallions. And then finely chop that into matchsticks, and then into finely brunoise chopped. Then add that to the bowl. And then with the scallions, we will finely chop, making sure that when you slice the scallions, you really want to slice through them, not chop like that. You really want to slice. Otherwise, the integrity of the scallions, they will get bruised and then they won't be nicely chopped. They'll be kind of like a sludge, which is not what we want. When we slice them like this, it also adds to the crunch of the dumpling. So it's really important to try and keep your knife as sharp as possible and slicing through in this kind of manner. Only using the green part of the scallion. I think that will be enough. Adding that to the bowl. Now the key with my dumplings is that you really need to stir the bowl until the pork mince becomes sticky. So the key to do that is mix it together, and you're actually almost mashing it onto the side of the bowl. So that will make sure that your dumplings aren't like squash balls. They're more like feather pillows. You can tell that you're almost done by the way in which the meat looks almost a little bit white. So you want to really mash it up against the side of the bowl. Okay, so now that everything has mixed quite nicely and the mixture looks quite white, we're ready to go. I'll add some soy, 3 of those to the mix. I'll add some white pepper, which I love, and sesame oil. All the flavours of Asia. We'll mix that through again, and there we have our pork and ginger wonton mix. It usually does take a while to mix the mixture through, so just keep on going, and until you find that texture of the whiteness in the pork, then you know that your dumpling's ready to roll. Now grab your wonton wrappers, and again, the wonton wrappers really do dry out, so you really want to keep it underneath a tea towel. So grab your trusty tea towel and pop that underneath and grab your wonton. Now there are quite a few ways that you can actually roll these. I'm going to show you the way that my mother used to roll it, especially on the weekends. We always loved to sit around and roll these wontons. 1, 2, and then twist, and again, and squeeze. So you're making a little money bag. The significance of the wontons is all about prosperity and money. In Hong Kong, we're obsessed with good luck and good prosperity for the family. So this means a money bag. When you add noodles to your soup, we believe the noodles to signify longevity in life. So the noodles along with the money makes a happy life, and also a yummy soup. There's the dumpling, and one more for you. 1, 2, 3. So you're almost putting all the points together and squeezing it together, making sure that there's no air bubbles in the base of the dumpling so that it will cook and not explode in your pan. So I'm just going to make 6 of these. Again, 1, 2, 3. Easy peas. The last one for you. 1, 2, 3. Within this recipe as well, you could add prawns, you could add Moreton Bay bugs, you could add lobsters. I will be adding a few other videos as well to this channel. 1, 2, 3. So now that I've got my pan boiling, I'm going to drop them quite gently into the water. 1. And when they rise to the top, they're ready. You can turn, once they drop into the pan, you can even actually turn it up a little bit more. Just going to grab my bowl and my trusty spider. The spider is really great because you can lift the actual dumplings out without bursting them. You can see that they're almost coming to the boil. They've risen to the top of the water. And I'll probably leave them for another 20 seconds and then we're ready to go. Just to get your bowl ready for with your sauce, I would add again some sesame oil to the base, makes it lovely and fragrant. I would add some white pepper and some soy sauce. With the dumplings, you could actually add it to a beautiful chicken broth, which I have actually done another class for you on this channel. And you can actually even eat them on their own like this. Now that they've all come to the boil and have risen to the top of the pan, I'm going to gently lift them out, drain them in the spider and add to my bowl. Mix it through the sauce and there you have it, my pork and ginger wontons.